Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday. Well, today as you can see, we are going to be starting this one that we got this morning from DPClubs, and it is called Colorful Bays. And I'm going to be starting right here on this two-tone blue building over here. It seemed to have the most symbols, so I'm going to use two different colors. The first color is 3768, which is kind of a darker teal color. And let me bring you down so you can see what's going on here. My goodness gracious, we're having a day, ain't we? Oh my goodness. Yeah, yesterday I just didn't do too much at all. I sat and stitched for quite a long time. I worked on the, what do you call it, the Red Chamber Beauties. Nope, 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 nope. Not that color, not that color. Not yet. And I have my fingers wrapped today because, yeah, I've jammed a needle into them one too many times, so here we are. So I thought I'd use some of my tape stuff, if it'll stay on. Hang on. I don't know if I can do this. Just want to cut that stupid end off. You know, it was like the outside edge. Whoop. Telling you, it's a Friday. Holy cow. There we go. It was just like it was dry or something, so it'll be fine. Let's see, so I worked on the ladies, and I worked on the Christmas room a little bit, and what else did I work on? For the life of me, it's just not there. So yeah, that's about all that I got accomplished yesterday. So we will see. Okay, you are just getting in my way. Just cannot. And I got some, what do you call it? I cook 2 great big pork roasts at a time. They usually have them on sale, you know, for my green chili. And then I'll take a hunk of it out for either, what do you call that stuff? Pulled pork or whatever else I want to use it for. Well, I ended up using some teriyaki sauce, and I had to add, well, it's actually a teriyaki, what do you call it? Marinade. And it was a little savory for me, so I added brown sugar and white sugar to, you know, an amount so that I could kind of coat the pork and everything. I cut it up, of course. Yeah. So, fixed that and had some jasmine rice with it, and it was really good. I had it for lunch and dinner. Of course, dinner wasn't until way later. But I didn't go anywhere other than the mailbox yesterday, looking to see if there was anything there, and nope. So, yeah. But it was nice to just, you're killing me. This is why I don't use this stuff. It just, I ran the needle through it twice. Okay, we'll just have to be more careful then, right? Holy cow. So, yeah, nothing too exciting. Watched some Netflix, some YouTube stuff. But other than that, not a whole lot. Took a 2.5-hour nap and called it good. Oh, before I forget, I want to put a picture in here that I got from, I believe it was Sharon, and of her, I'll call them button trees. They're so cute. What a cute idea. I don't have that many buttons or anything different, you know, kind of stand outy, you know, flashy buttons. And I'm sure you could get on Amazon and just order flashy buttons, but the buttons I do have, I've been collecting from like the thrift store. They are basically like tan or white or maybe a little bit of gold, you know, buttons, but they're nothing super spectacular, you know. So, yeah. Yeah, it took me a hot moment with those beads yesterday. Anyway, I'm sorry, Sharon. They're beautiful. Thank you for sending them. Oh, come on. Really? Hold, please. All right, I'm back. I don't know what happened. It got caught up and it didn't like where it was going, I guess. My goodness. But thank you, Sharon, for sending your picture. If anybody else has anything they finished or anything that they're working on, just send me a picture to my email, and my email address is in the description box. I can't talk today. Description box below, and I will get it into the next Stitch With Me as soon as I possibly can. So, yeah. I love seeing what you're working on. It doesn't have to be cross-stitch. It can be whatever you finished or what you like to work on. So, just send it to me, and I'll be happy to share it with everybody. Oh my God. We're having a week. Yeah. Oh my. So what is everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something you like. Something maybe even you love. Because, yeah. For the life of me, that just drives me crazy that I can't remember what the heck else I worked on yesterday. I know I drug out the ladies. That's always a field event. I was trying to put those little tiny beads into that that one section of hanging flowers-ish. Yeah. I still have more of the background to do. So, or the, let's call it the other colors around those, you know, so I can complete another section. I was going to work on my beaded cross stitch, but the other just about did me in for the day, so yeah, we'll try again today. Some days are like that. And as I see it, we're just kind of continuing on here. So maybe we just need to take a break and not stitch for a hot moment. I don't know how to do that, so it's like, good luck. Didn't watch anything new or different on Netflix. I just haven't really been looking for anything different. I put stuff on so that I can stitch, because either it's in English or I know what's going on so I don't have to read subtitles. Yeah, because we do a lot of that around here. Ouch, dang it. Holy cow. I'm ready for the other color. Maybe it'll be better. So, no plans. Now tomorrow we'll have December Saturday stitching at 1. And I don't know exactly what I'm going to be stitching on, if it'll be a new project or an oldie or just what. Okay, let's get rid of that needle, because some of these needles have the smallest ends on them, I swear, and they are just enlightening when you shove it into your finger. Excuse the reach. Put that one down. We're good with that. Moving on. Now the second color is 927. It's kind of a, I don't know what you'd call that. Kind of a grayish blue, maybe. I thought that there was going to be a teal color in here, but evidently not. Sometimes oh my God. Really? I don't know, sometimes the picture does not match the colors that you actually get. So yeah, we will see. I don't know what this outside color is supposed to be, but maybe the colors that are all around it will make it look bluer. So we'll see just how it all works out. I have no idea what I'm fixing for dinner tonight. Hadn't even gotten that far. Probably end up having the rest of that pork while it's out. I was looking for my other pork steak, but nope, didn't find that. So, moving on. But I happened to find that pork that I had just cooked a month or two ago when I made the green chili, because that's a hunk of pork that I usually have left over, and I use about half of it for the green chili, and then the other half I just, if I'm hungry for barbecue or, God dang it, or whatever, you know, I didn't know how else to throw that pork in there, and I really didn't want barbecue sauce on it. That's what started the teriyaki mess. But we got it whooped and it tasted good, so moving on. And I really didn't want any bread either, so yeah. So who knows what else we'll whip up this weekend. Come on. Excuse me, choked on my own spit. Aren't we lovely? Trying to get this blue next to this so-called turquoise. But it looks more like dark green once it's... Really? Really? Holy cow. What the heck? Okay, fish. I guess I'll put you back up there before I lose you. Oh my goodness, we are having a day. Whoop, gotta go that way, because now I've got a knot. There we go. Whew. Crisis averted. Holy cow. So yeah, I'd like to work on my Christmas room some more and get more of that tree done. But other than that, I have no idea what it is I'm going to work on. Unless something new comes in. Or I just stumble upon something. You know how that goes. You forget about a bunch of stuff. So, fun times. Oh, almost went the wrong direction. That had been awesome. I love when I do that. When it's on something big and huge, it doesn't faze me. I just start going in the other direction. But this small stuff, it just, I don't know, to me it shows worse. Alright guys, I think that is going to be about it today here. Let me get this last one in this area before I have to do the hop, skip, and jump thing. There we go. But that way, holy cow, you can see the two colors there. Where is it? Oh my lord. Yeah. Try to hold it as still as I possibly can. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.